Hello everyone. So I was walking today. I was walking out in the bush and I come up upon this here stump. You see those knots right here? That's going to be awesome. So what we're going to try to do, even though it looks kind of strange, this is kind of strange here. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get us some wood that we can actually work with. Alright, so this is a nice piece of wood here, and this is going to be really nice pick handles. Let's make sure we have at least 3 inches. And as you can see, we have 4 inches, which is right on the money, baby. 3.5, close enough. Alright, now what we want to do is we're going to make runs to where we don't want to shave off too much, but what we want to do is we want to expose what we do have. So let's see here how we're going to do this now. Let me get my pinch seal out. We're going to try to make a run. Okay. get us a straight edge, or as straight edge as we can get. We want about we want at least there you go. That's pretty close. All right, let's give it a shot. See that piece of wood right there? Let's see what we got here. Look at that, man. Ooh-wee. You take some brass pieces and put in there, that would be nice. That would be nice. Let's put some more water on there and see what we got. For real. Wow. That's not too bad. Nice oak type of a handle. And this piece right here is about the same thing. See, so just an old stump, like this right here, old stump. You know, this is going to be a lot of pick handles right here. I tell you that. But this is a block that I mean, you know, you can get what, 10 handles out of there. And get you some nice brass plating and make you some lines in there. I mean, just all kinds of stuff that a person can do with different types of wood. So, don't be shy, man. Don't be shy. Or, you can go on eBay and you can order this already pre-cut stuff. I think they have 3-inch by 8-inch long slabs of it on eBay for $7 or $13 or $28, or I mean, all kinds of prices for all kinds of different wood. So, don't be shy, my friends. Don't be shy. And talk to y'all later.